Hello friends, Sandeep here from Tutor House. Hope you people are doing good. Today we will learn about IELTS test section listening. So we'll know how the question paper would be and what are the things that comes into your listening test. So listening test, it is one of the section of 4. So that other sections are reading, that is reading of passages, writing and speaking. So today we will know about listening. Similarly, we have shared other videos about reading, writing and speaking. So you can view those videos for further information of the individual sections. So in listening, basically the test duration is for 30 minutes. And how many parts do we have in listening? We have 4 parts, and each part contains 10 questions. So what are these parts? Actually, these 4 parts are like, you have 4 recordings and you will be given a question paper. Listening to the recording, you need to write the answers to the questions given. So the 4 recordings, you need to be very clearly, keenly listening to the recordings, and keep in mind that if you miss a single sentence or word, you will miss the answer, not for one question, maybe couple of questions related to that. So your concentration should be too good to have a good listening and getting the answer from what the interaction is being going on. Now in the first recording, the recording would be a conversation between two people set in an everyday social context. So it's a basic conversation between two people. The second recording would be a monologue set in an everyday social context. So monologue set in everyday social context. For example, if you are listening to a speech of a local facilitators, that speech you need to be listening very keenly, and based on that you need to write down the solutions. The third recording, a conversation between up to like 4 people set in an educational or training context. So mostly it is like 4 people sitting at an college campus and they're discussing something about educational thing or training context. So that recording would be limited to that. And the recording 4, it's a monologue on an academic subject. So it would be about some discussion about a subject. That subject detail they will be interacting, and you need to remember few keywords about it, which will help to give answers to the questions. The basic task types, like what are kind of questions and how we need to address, is like, the first one would be like multiple choice questions. Then the second would be matching. You need to match, given a table where you need to match few things. Then they will give you a plan, map, diagram, labeling. So while listening the conversation, you need to remember the context and try to fill the details. Then you will even be given a form, note, table, flowchart, summary, completion. So you need to do that. Then again you have a question like sentence completion. So if the sentence starts, you need to, if the conversation is going on, you need to be very keen where the sentence is getting and you need to write down the end details to complete the sentence. And again you will have short answer questions wherein you listen to the short answer questions, and the major concern here is you need to be very keen and concentrate yourself to the recording going on, because when you sit in an big auditorium of 100 plus students and your concentration is on your recording, you will get all the 40 questions correct. But as a human tendency, we look around, and due to that, once your concentration miss, you will miss lot many questions. And this is the best section in IELTS wherein you can score 100%. So practice a lot at home, and make sure that you will not miss a single question wherein you regret that I know the context, I know this answer, but I could not fill it. And the final part of listening is that listening is same for academic test candidate, or it is same for the general reading test candidate. So in listening won't change, or listening paper won't change for any of the test type candidates. Hope this information has provided you some knowledge about listening. There are many audios and many questions based on those audios online. So if you want, you can check, or you can go to the IELTS site and book for your books from there to prepare by self. If there are any queries, you can put down in comments. We would try to guide you more on or support with information. Please request you to even look into our other videos. Thank you.